Welcome! If you're looking to keep your LinkedIn email address private and secure, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to hide your email address on LinkedIn using your PC. This is a quick and simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll have full control over who can see your email address on your profile. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all your privacy options. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Visibility. This section controls who can see your activity, connections, and personal information. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Who can see or download your email address. Click on this to open your email visibility settings. Here, you'll see a few different options. To make sure your email address is completely hidden from everyone else, select only Visible to Me. This means no one else on LinkedIn will be able to view or download your email address from your profile. Once you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. You can exit the settings, and your email address will now be hidden from other users. That's it. You've successfully updated your privacy settings and taken an important step to protect your personal information on LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.